You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Welcome back to AZ-104 Exam Prep Series. Today we will cover how to create and configure Azure App Services. Here, Azure offers a fully managed platform for web application and even launching APIs. So let's jump in. All right, so now let's check out how you can deploy a serverless service, that is, a service without installing any infrastructure on your own. And one of that service is called Azure App Service or Application Service. So I'll go to my resource group, click on Create. Name will be Demo. Next, Next, and Create. Now you will notice that I have no virtual networks inside it. I don't want to install any or create any public IP, nothing. Just one resource group that is empty right now. And I will directly search for App Services. Click on Create. What type of app service you want? Do you want a web application, static web application? A web application means a website plus database, or WordPress on app service, right? WordPress, again, is a platform to develop your web pages or websites. Well, to keep it simple, web apps. Let's do that. Subscription, select your resource group, and give your web application a name. I will call it rsbdemo.azurewebsite.net if you want a simple name. And the name should be unique globally because someone else might be using your name, right? Now, how will you publish your service? Well, do you have code for it, or do you have a container running your services or running your application? You can also put a container here. I will put a code. Now, this will run on which framework? Well, will it be .NET or Java, PHP, Python? I'll go with the most compatible one, the old one. 4.8 is nice. Now, where do you want to deploy it? Canada Central. Now, this is your pricing plan. Well, you have different tiers here. You can create a new Windows plan as well, because .NET is for Windows. And then you have different pricing plans. Remember, if you want your service to run on a very powerful system and isolated from others, then you have to pay more for that. But for this demo, a free version is also there, which gives you 60 CPU minutes per day. So 60 minutes is good enough for a quick test. So I'll select that. This can be changed later on as well. Okay, so zone redundancy is not available at this free plan. Next. Do I have any database I want to attach? No, I don't have any database, and anyhow, it is available for basic or higher app service plan, not for free. Deployment. Now, do you want to deploy it once, or is it actually a proper CI/CD pipelines? That means you integrate your content and you deploy it, you deliver it. Let's say you have a website and you want to make a change. You will not deploy a new web app service. No, you will make a change on your GitHub or wherever you are saving your code, your repository is. You will make a change, it will be a new version, and that change will be reflected on your website. This is what it means by continuous deployment and GitHub integration. I don't need that. Networking. Well, I want my public to see it. You can also make it private if you want, but enable public access. Do you want to monitor and secure it? Of course, for production, you will. But for this one, not really. Just a demo to show you how to create app service. But let's say you want to monitor a running app service. You want to see how many ingress packets are there, how many outgoing packets are there, how many requests failed, how many requests were successful. You need all those details to make sure that your web service is running properly. In that case, you may enable your application insight. Plus, if you want to protect your application from attacks, then you will integrate Defender for Cloud. Next, review and create. And that's it. No need to create different public IPs, then virtual network and connect. This is not infra, this is platform as a service. Now I will wait for the deployment to finish. All right, so it is deployed now. Let's go to the service. And if I go to my resource group as well and click on Resource Visualizer, as you can see, just the backend infrastructure and my service, nothing else, no network, it's not required. And this is your app service running. Now, if you want to connect with it, it already have a DNS name. That is your app.azurewebsites.com. Copy it, or I can open it here as well, and open it. And here you go. This is your app service. That's it. This is how easy it is to deploy your application service and connect with it in just 5 minutes. Now, the next step, what if you want to put your code here now? How will you edit it? If you want to practice that, I can help you with that. So you go at the deployment tool, then you click on App Service Editor, and then click on Open Editor. Well, if you go here, this is where you actually put your code, or if you want to put multiple pages to your website, you can develop it. So this is the root website, which is by default there, and this is what you see here. Now, what if I just remove it? Yeah, you can. And it is already saved. So if I go here and refresh, nothing, blank page, because there's no code. So I have one HTML code. I got it from ChatGPT, of course. I will paste it here. And that's it. Let's see what happens. So if I go, here you go. This is my website now. So this is how easy it is to create your environment and then put your code and also in real time test it. So if you go to ChatGPT and type, give me HTML code or for a calculator, well, you just paste it there and you have your website. Plus, you can also build a complex website with multiple pages as well. This is your editor. And that's it. This is how easy it was. My app service is running. Now I will just delete my whole resource group so that this demo environment is decommissioned. So in this video, we covered how to provision and also how to scale app service plans. Remember, there is a free plan, and if you want to scale up, there are other paid plans which give you a lot of resources, mainly to boost the productivity and also to increase the performance of your web application, or maybe any application, even with the database. It doesn't matter. You can host it on this platform offered by Azure. Next up, we will explore how to configure access to Azure storage, including security of Azure storage platform and shared access. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.